بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
The book of the most eminent theologian in Islam are unanimous. They don't know the meaning of the initials on top of the 29 chapters of the Quran. It turns out that all those initials are multiple of 19 in their respective chapters. Chapter 50 is initialized with the letter Q. If we count the number of Q's in chapter 50, they are exactly 57 or 19 times 3. The one and only other chapter initialized with Q is chapter 42. If we count the Q's in chapter Q, the total is 57 or 19 times 3. We learn from chapter 50 that Q stands for Quran, therefore the number of Q's equals the number of chapters in the Quran. It's relevant here to cite the following facts. 1. The word Quran is mentioned in the Quran 57 times or 19 times 3. 2. Chapter 42 consists of 53 verses, and 42 plus 53 is 95, or 19 times 5. 3. Chapter 50 consists of 45 verses, and 50 plus 45 is also 95, 19 times 5. 4. The number of Q's in all verses numbered 19 throughout the Quran is 76, or 19 times 4. Chapter 68 starts with the initial N. The number of letters N in chapter 68 is 133, or 19 times 7. N being the last initialized chapter brings out a number of interesting observations. 1. The number of verses between the first initial to the last initial is 5,263, or 19 times 277. 2. The word God occurs 2641 times in the initialized section, or 19 times 139. There are 7 chapters initialized with letter H and M, ha, me M. If you add the H's and the M's you'll find 2147, or 19 times 113. Chapter 7, 19, and 38 are initialized with letter S. The number of S's is respectively 97, 26, and 29. The total is 152, or 18 times 8. Chapter 36 is named YS. It is also initialized with the initials Y and S. If you count the number of Y's, you'll find 237, and the number of S is 48. The total is 285, or 19 times 15. Now this one is a bit more sophisticated, so make sure you're awake. Chapter 19, 20, 26, 27, and 28 share the following initials: H, T, S, and M. If you count those letters in their respective chapters and add them up, you'll find a multiple of 19. Next, chapter 13 starts with the initials A, L, M, and R. If you count the A's you'll find 605, the L's are 480, the M's are 260, and the R's are 137. The total is 1482, or 19 times 78. Chapter 19 has 5 initials: K, H, Y, A, S. The number of K is 137, the number of H is 175, the number of A is 117, Y's are 343, and the number of S is 26. The total of those initials in chapter 19 is 19 times 42. There are precisely 6 chapters initialized with the 3 letters A, L, and M. They are chapter 2, 3, 29, 30, 31, and 32. If you count those letters in each chapter and add them up, the total is a multiple 19. This phenomenon is true in all major versions of Quran I could get hold of. Chapters 10, 11, 12, 14, and 15 are initialized with letters A, L, and R. If you count the number of those letters in those chapters, you'll find 9,481, or 19 times 499. Chapter 7 starts with the initials A, L, M, S. Their respective count in the chapter is 2510, 1530, 1164, and 97. The total is 5,301, or 19 times 279.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ياسين والقرآن الحكيم إنك لمن المرسلين على صراط مستقيم تنزيل العزيز الرحيم لتنذر قوما ما أنذر آباؤهم فهم غافلون لقد حق القول على